Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is rolling out the final Patch Tuesday updates for Windows 10 and Windows 11 for this year, 2023, which started rolling out on the 12th, which was once again late yesterday in my region. And the Patch Tuesday updates that roll out on the second Tuesday of the month will be downloaded and installed automatically onto your device, as many of you will know. And for Windows 10, this month's Patch Tuesday update is KB5033372. Now, the updates for Patch Tuesday are security updates, which address important security issues in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And just to go through what is rolled out in regards to security fixes for Windows 10. Now, for this month, for Windows 10, we have 15 vulnerabilities that have been patched, 3 of which are critical. So that's your highest ranked vulnerability. And the three critical vulnerabilities that have been addressed are remote code execution vulnerabilities, which means basically that the hacker, the attackers, the bad guys, so to speak, can gain access to your system remotely over a network or the internet, just to mention 2 simple examples. And over and above the 3 critical vulnerabilities that have been patched, the security update for Windows this month also fixes one zero-day vulnerability, which is listed as CVE 2023205888. And a zero-day vulnerability has already been exploited in the wild. So it's out there, it's active, and it's currently happening. And that zero-day, though, is only affecting devices with AMD processors. So as an example, I'm running an Intel system, so it won't affect me. So if you have an AMD processor and are running Windows 10, time to check get this update sooner than later. So as mentioned, one zero-day affecting AMD systems and 3 critical vulnerabilities addressed, 15 vulnerabilities in total for Windows 10 for December 2023. Now, focusing on basically what is new. Now, the security update also includes the quality improvements that rolled out and were part of this update, KB5033372, which was released, depending on your region, the 30th of November or the 1st of December, and was last month's optional bug fix C release update. So if you didn't install this update, then this month's Patch Tuesday update will include a couple of improvements, new features, and bug fixes. Now, just to do a quick recap, because I posted a whole video on KB5033372, which I'll leave down below if you want more info. But basically, it's rolling out with 4 new Windows 11 features and bug fixes and a whole lot more. So as I've mentioned previously, Microsoft isn't finished yet with Windows 10. They are still pushing out some new features and have recently started focusing quite a bit on Windows 10 once again. And first of all, this update will introduce Copilot in Windows 10, which is still on a controlled rollout, and I haven't received Copilot yet. So if you haven't received it yet, Microsoft did say that it would be rolling out quite slowly using a phased approach. But just a quick recap, if you do get it, obviously very similar to what we get on Windows 11. And it basically brings a Bing Chat web container to your desktop. And obviously, this is basically a souped up version of Cortana. And you can use it very similar to Bing Chat. And also, you can ask it to do things like change your theme or set your operating system from light to dark mode, as an example. But by now, some of you should start seeing this. If not, just be patient. It will be rolling out progressively according to Microsoft. And when it does roll out, you'll notice that, if we zoom in here, you'll notice that the Copilot icon for the taskbar will not be on the taskbar like it is in Windows 11. It'll be moved to the system tray, to the right-hand side of the system tray in the taskbar, which I actually think is a better position for the Copilot. But nonetheless, this update does start introducing Windows 10 Copilot, which is rolling out using a controlled phased approach. And also, if we head back to Windows updates, it also adds get the latest updates as soon as they're available. So basically, you will be among the first to get the latest non-security updates, fixes, and improvements if you have this toggle turned on. That's another Windows 11 feature that's rolled out. And if we head to our system page, and as mentioned, I have gone through these in that previous video, but just to do a quick recap for this video, it adds the new system components app page. So the apps that are listed as system components will be now found on this page and not on your apps and features page. And something else it also does, just on a side note, is it moves optional features from the apps and features page and pops them on the system page as well. And I have posted a video on this, but that's the new location. And then something else it does is it adds new functionality that affects app defaults. The news and interests feed is slightly larger and a little bit more compact, I have found, mainly in my region, pertaining to my region. I don't know if you are noticing a more compact news and interests feed, but Microsoft says that is now larger as well. And we also get Windows Update opt-in notifications and numerous bug fixes. So as mentioned, those updates that roll out near the end of every month do address performance and stability problems in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And then something else I have noticed that is not mentioned in any release notes is if we head over to the File Explorer, you can see that the address bar in the File Explorer and the search is quite a lot smaller than it used to be. It was a little bit taller and larger, and they've also decreased the size and made that a lot smaller. And I have seen a couple of comments, some viewers of this channel not really enjoying this new address bar and search, but nonetheless, that was made available with the optional bug fix update and will also be part of this update. So if you are noticing a smaller address bar and search in File Explorer, that's the reason why. And then if we want to see what the build has been upgraded to for Windows 10 version 22H2, as always, we head over to WinVer, just do a search for that. This takes us to the About Windows menu. And here we can see for Windows 10 version 22H2, the OS build is now on 19045.3803. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.